Now, going back to the difference of cubes, now we have a to the third minus b to the third is equal to the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, in problem 33 from the page 51 section, we are going to involve the difference of cubes in x to the third minus 64. X to the third minus 64 is equal to x to the third minus 4 to the third. And breaking it down, so we have with the linear factor, we have the quantity of x minus 4. As for the quadratic factor, we have the quantity of x to the second plus 4x plus 16. All right, now for what we have in 33, now we have x to the third minus 64 over 16x minus x to the third, and we have divided by 2x squared plus 8x plus 32, and we have all over x squared plus 2x minus 8. And once again, we can rewrite this division statement in the context of multiplying. So we have, once again, we have x cubed minus 64 over 16x minus x cubed. We have times, and we have x squared plus 2x minus 8 all over 2x squared plus 8x plus 32. Again, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the fraction's reciprocal. Now, in taking what we have, again, so we have our x cubed minus 64. If I factor, I'm going to have the quantity of x minus 4, and I have times the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 16. And now for 16x minus x cubed. Now the immediate common factor is going to be at x. So I have x times the quantity of 16 minus x squared. And this part can be factored even further. And we have for x squared plus 2x minus 8. So I have the quantity of x plus 4 times that of x minus 2. And for 2x squared plus 8x plus 32, greatest common factor is going to be at 2. And we have times the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 16. Now, so for 16 minus x squared, I can factor this part out even further. And so just taking what I have here. So we have in the case of 16 minus x squared. So I can just factor this out to 4 plus x and 4 minus x. All right. And if you notice, so we have some common factors. Now we have x squared plus 4x plus 16. These will go out. We don't have x minus 2 in both numerator and denominator positions. Now for x plus 4, if you notice, this is the commutative equivalent. 4 plus x. 4 plus x, same as x plus 4. So these will go out. And for right now, we have the quantity of x minus 4 and the quantity of x minus 2 left over in the numerator positions. And we have all over x times the quantity of 4 minus x. And so we have another situation here. You notice we have different binomials with the terms in switch order. So again, we have x minus 4, 4 minus x. Now the reduction is going to go to -1. And we'll just have this to distribute over x minus 2. So we can say that we have the negative of the quantity of x minus 2 over x. And for the final answer, you can either express as negative x plus 2 over x or 2 minus x all over x. And then we'll be looking into linear equations.